1. Identify transmission risks *. Respiratory viruses, flu, RSV, cold, spread through droplets or contaminated surfaces. Foodborne infections, like norovirus, can be transmitted through shared utensils or surfaces. 2. Vulnerable populations *. Older individuals, babies, pregnant individuals, and the immunocompromised are more susceptible. Extra precautions needed, such as avoiding large indoor gatherings and using well-ventilated spaces. 3. Precautions during travel *. Consider wearing N95 masks in crowded spaces during travel. Ensure recommended vaccines and access to antiviral treatment for vulnerable individuals. 4. Host responsibility *. Hosts should communicate with guests about vulnerability and preferences for precautions. Open doors/windows, encourage COVID-19 testing, and provide hand sanitizer to reduce respiratory and gastrointestinal risks. 5. Buffet risks and mitigations *. Buffets pose risks with congestion, shared utensils, and food left out too long. Encourage guests to take turns, use hand sanitizer, and pay attention to perishable food timing. 6. Plated meals as an alternative *. Buffets can be as safe as plated meals with proper precautions. Plate meals for vulnerable guests to avoid congregation near buffet tables. 7. Food safety measures *. Cook meat to recommended internal temperatures to prevent undercooking. Avoid cross-contamination by separating raw meat containers from vegetables and fruits. 8. Hand hygiene *. Emphasize thorough handwashing, especially after handling raw meat. Promote good hygiene practices among those preparing and serving food. 9. Recognizing symptoms *. Respiratory illness symptoms include fever, cough, sneezing, and body aches. Gastrointestinal illness symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. 10. Seeking medical care *. Seek medical attention for severe symptoms like shortness of breath or severe abdominal pain. Individuals with symptoms, especially vulnerable ones, should isolate to prevent further spread.